To you. And also Fida, 1 year. Of course, Ate Shirley's 4 years. Lyra is 5 years. Wow. I see. Ayan. I see you. 2 months. Ayan. Sir Dennis is also 10 years. Happy decade as well. Kay Joy, 5 months. And Grace, 3 months. Yan. Okay. Okay. 14 months kay Presi. So, kay Melita, 2 weeks. Joylyn, 6 months. Yes, no? Kay Sir Jeff, 1 year. Kay Rosemary, 2 years. Thank you for your response. I really appreciate what you're doing, no? And this is important for me to gauge, no, what I will be sharing tonight. Wala akong yatang na-receive kay Ate Shirley specific na notes ko yung gagawin ko tonight. Pero I'm sure all I have to do is just share you my story. And hopefully, no, it will inspire you as well. But let me give you an idea. I think nabasa na naman na ni Ate Shirley lahat ng aking, alam niyo yun, profile. But I just want to share as well, nung nakilala ko si Ate Shirley, nakakatuwa lang kasi it was on a flight. Katabi ko siya. No, we were headed sa isang event and nakaka-bless kasi ang dami niyang shinare sa akin. Actually, the whole duration ng flight, nagkakwentuhan lang kami. I think that was bound to Cebu. There was a convention that time and for the whole hour nagkakwentuhan lang kami. Habang si Mentor John, katabi ko, natutulog. Pero tuwa ako, kaya sabi ko, hindi ko makakalimutan siya. No, and from there on, yeah, naging friends na kami. Kaya nga nung nag-message siya, hindi naman ako nagpahindi. Definitely, Ate Shirley, for the rest of the leaders and, for the whole core edge, this is something that, I would love to do. Okay, so again, I'm gonna share my slides para at least familiar kayo with my profile. Okay, ayan. Ayan. Okay, I hope you're able to see it now. Yes, no? So I'm right now a one-star diamond director, a premier platinum pace setter, a PPP. Sinarita yung mga gusto maging PPP. Parang kanina marami yung nakitang bago. I'm not sure if you're still working on that, but definitely, USANA is really promoting our roadmap, which is yung maging solid na leader pagdating sa USANA. Now, I'll tell more about that in a while, but I'm also a USANA League Prestige. When you say Prestige, uh, grabe, no? Hindi ko rin alam kung ano meron dito. Pero I guess being here in USANA for the last 15 years, I believe this has to do with, ayan, sa $1 million club, no? Kasi pag nagkaroon ka ng malaking result and you will be recognized, no, $1 million club. But right now, it's already called a different name. Yan. And I believe one of your leaders, si Mentor Mads, who I was with when we went to Malaysia. Ayan, kasama ko po siya sa regional camp and she too is a part of that, no? And without a doubt, no, you're gonna grow, you're gonna become a top income qualifier for all the travel incentives. This year we have Dubai. Isn't it exciting? I haven't been there. So hopefully and prayerfully, lahat tayo kasama. Yes, pakitype naman yung yes kung sasama ka sa Dubai. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Thank you for that. Kasi the moment you type it in our chat box na yes, no, pupunta ka ng Dubai, I believe the work is halfway done. I'm sure everything else is, will happen for the next weeks to come. But as for the background, I'm a nurse. I have been registered in the US at the same time here in the Philippines. Kaya lang di na ako nag-renew. All right, because there was one time, konting chika lang, galing kami ng flight. I think from a US convention. Speaking of the US convention is coming up. And I believe yung isa sa mga convention pagbalik namin, may hinimatay sa eroplano. And syempre, pag in-announce ng FA, ng flight attendant, they need the medical personnel, tutulong tayo, no? So definitely there's a responsibility to that. And the reason why no talagang nag-aral akong mabuti because I knew this would be a pathway para makapunta agad ng ibang bansa, no? I don't know if there are medical personnels here, pero alam na alam natin na pag halimbawa kahit ano namang profesyon, pag nag-aral ka ng mabuti, ang mindset natin pag graduate tayo, definitely makakahanap tayo ng magandang trabaho. Well, that's the reason why I really studied hard. Meron akong scholarship, hindi dahil matalino, kundi ito ay scholarship na inaalagaan natin. Ano? Kaya kahit pa paano nakapasok yung grade. And I was able to achieve the Florence Nightingale. If you don't know what Florence Nightingale, never mind. Pero just in case you see me and you have a nurse na gusto mong halimbawa i-mirror sa akin, Florence Nightingale po is an award given to an outstanding student who has the leadership, the clinical skills, at the same time, yung pagdating sa, alam niyo yun, care for others. Nax care talaga, no? Yan yung award na yan. So, isa lang na nakakakuha niyan sa batch for the year. And of course, by God's grace, nakagraduate tayo ng with flying colors. And little did I know, hindi pala madali makapasok ng trabaho, realidad, no? Lahat tayo gustong magtrabaho ng maganda, magandang kita. Kaya lang, hindi agad-agad po yun. Took a while. After 2.5 years, saka ako nakakita ng trabaho na swak sa profesyon ko. Ibig sabihin, yung unang trabaho ko, hindi naman talaga literal na linya ko yung ginagawa ko. Pero, sabi nga, kung makakabuhay sa pamilya, bakit hindi? Tama? Kaya naman that time, no, ah, eventually, coming from the DOH, that was my first job. Actually, that's where I met the person who invited me to USANA. And after that, nag-transition ako. I work as an ER nurse and an ICU nurse in San Juan Medical Center. Then the last job, kasi after na nag-retire na ako, was with Philippine General Hospital. So doon lumaki talaga yung organization ko. Siyempre, mamaya bibigyan ko kayo ng tips about that because I was really looking for people who can have the same vision as mine. Right now, okay, if I will be giving you siguro a goal tonight, probably it's going to be a different result for me and you today, no? But that doesn't matter. Lahat tayo rito, pagdating sa iyo sana, pare-pareho tayo may pangarap, pare-pareho tayong mga, alam niyo yun, nagtatrive para sa mga pamilya natin. But the bottom line, more than the lifestyle that I have right now, I want you to really look at the possibility in you, lalo na sa mga bago. Because uh, whatever you see tonight, most likely that could also be the result that you can have in your business. Okay lang ba yon? So, tingnan nyo yung proseso and then look at what you can become in that process as a result. So, I'm a life coach. So, we were able to study about it, no? How to handle our team, our organization, because in the process, you'll be also creating an organization. And right now, saan ako nagiging busy? Sa pagiging homeschool mom. Isa lang po kasi ang anak ko, no? Pagbigyan nyo na. And of course, I'm also an enthusiast pagdating sa fitness. Not because gustong-gusto ko maging healthy, but because sakitin po ako by nature. So kung tititigan niyo po ako ngayon, mukha naman ako normal, but to be honest with you, pinanganak po ako ng abnormal. Abnormal. Above normal, guys. Above normal. Kayo naman, no? Na-judge ako agad doon. Pero imagine, yung brain mo hindi buo nung pinanganak ka and the doctor was telling your parents na hindi ka mabubuhay. Diba? That's something that, created really a miracle over my life. And I feel that I grew up naman, luckily, no, buhay naman tayo. Buti na lang naipasok sa incubator at kahit na paano nag-thrive. But truly, no, sakitin po talaga ako. No? Ito yung ironic. Nag-nurse po ako, hindi dahil gustong-gusto ko, but because that's something that can bring yung income sa family, magbagong buhay. Kasi nung mga panahon na yun, sikat yung mga nurses eh. Tama, marami rong yumayaman sa pagiging nurse. Kaya ako naman, kinerir ko talagang nursing. It's just sakitin po ako, no? So with USANA, that's the reason why I really have this vigor now when it comes to my health. And yan, no, ginagamit natin yung pagpapalakas ng katawan para hindi tayo magkasakit. And it so happened, Yosana became really an answered prayer para masustain natin tong health na to. But finally, ito yung pinakagustong gusto ko. Becoming servant of God. Marami tayong mga pinagkakabalahan pero I believe ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Pag pinarioritize mo to, everything else will follow. Tama ba? So, kami ni Ate Shirley, the more na naging close kami during the retreat because I saw her also there. And that was an opportunity. Actually, this year was the first time that we had an event at a retreat open for all teams. So, we were embracing everybody because these days, no, what will really thrive in an organization such as USANA, tayo, is the collaboration that we can all have. So sa akin, no, speaking here tonight is actually a privilege more than anything else because that's where maybe, no, hopefully I can help you grow as well. Because once upon a time, ako rin, may tao akong pinakinggan na inspire ako, not necessarily, part of our team, but because, they were willing and serving, that's why I was truly blessed. Hopefully, yan din po yung mangyari tonight. Okay? So, ang dami ko ng introduction, guys. Thank you sa mga nakikita ko sa chat box ng mga grabe, no? May response. So, yes, I'm claiming the blessings for all of you tonight. And syempre, sabi nga ni Lyra, seek first the kingdom of God and all these things shall be added unto you. So later on, I will share you a little about how I am able to, focus now on yung pinaka-favorite part ko yung nasa bottom. So hopefully that's something that you can also enjoy as you do your sana business. Okay? Wala naman sigurong guest tonight, ano, pero kung may guest, let me know. Okay ba yun? Eto po ako dati. So, kung mapapansin nyo, no, ito yung times ng mga panahon na nag-aral na mabuti. And speaking of, isa sa mga pinangarap ko makapasok ng St. Luke's. Bigyan ko na lang kayo ng tip, hindi po ako natanggap. Nakapasok ako sa listahan ng mga pumasa, pero hindi ako nakapasok sa mga listahan ng mga nurses na tinanggap. Bakit? Tanong niyo sa akin, bakit? Siyempre, nakamute po lahat, no? Oo, simply because ganito po yung itsura ko. So marami akong pimples, literal, ako po si Betty La Fea, and grabe, no? Discriminating talaga, hindi ako mukhang makagandahan. That's why hindi ako natanggap doon. Pero hindi naman tumigil ang pangarap ko. Siyempre, try and try until you succeed. Kaya po, alam niyo yun, ang pangarap ko talaga makapasok sa Philippine General Hospital. Pero sa sobrang stressful ng trabaho, ayan, gaya ng itsura ko. So, yun. Ano nangyari? Well, a friend of mine in Department of Health, actually prior to coming to my work as a nurse, Department of Health ang una kong trabaho. Somebody introduced me to Usana. Sa sobrang stress, 1 week akong hindi nakapasok sa trabaho. Sabi nga sa akin, try ko yung Usana. Sabi ko, ha? Usana? Usana pa talagang tawag ko that time because I don't know anything about it. But since I realized, vitamins din naman to, why not? Libre naman for 3 days. Okay, take note, 3 days lang libre. I tried it. And isa lang napansin ko, kahit 3 oras ang tulog ko, pakiramdam ko nakatulog ako ng 8 oras. So I gave it a chance. And then nung binibentahan niya na ako, alright, dahil na-try ko yung product, I was easily convinced. Pero paano niya ako na-convince? Wala naman akong ganong kalaking pera. 23 years old po ako ng time na nakilala kong Yusana. To be honest with you, may pambili ba ako? Grabe, sa 10,000 na sweldo. That time 3,000 na 3,500 niya ang benta niya sa akin. If not 4,000. Actually, parang 4,000 nga yata. Tinubuan niya ng bongga. O, di ba? Meron tayong price development. Okay? In a week's time. So, kailangan ngayon pa lang mag-ask na kayo ng mga product orders. But then again, noong time na yun, mataas ang benta niya sa akin. Pero paano niya ako napakuha? Because he allowed me to try it. Tapos nakita ko yung resulta sa akin, na-experience ko. So, minsan kailangan ma-experience ng prospect mo yung product for them to be easily convinced. You don't need to tell a lot of, kumbaga, hard sell. Okay, when they try the product itself. Bottom line, parang 4 na buwan kong binayaran yun. Ay, kasi maliit lang talaga ang sweldo ko. Imagine mo, kulang pang ang sweldo na ng katulad ko that time, no? Nanghihingi pa ako ng pandagdag. Ay, grabe no, nag-aral ka mabuti tapos 10,000 yung sweldo mo. Pinatos mo kasi kailangan dahil pag hindi ka nagtrabaho, kamusta naman? No? Para saan pa yung inaral mo? Hindi mo naman makakain yung pride. Kaya ginawa ko, pinatulan ko na. After all, trabaho pa rin yun. Matututo pa rin ako. So, anyway, to cut the long story short, 4 months ko ginamit yung product. Kasi, di ba, it's almost good as 4 months. That time, matipid po ako kasi wala naman akong alam na kailangan mo i-take ng 2 pares kada araw para maramdaman mo yung optimal dose. Pero kung isang pares nga, naramdaman ko na. Tapos na-realize ko, hindi ako nagkasakit at all dun sa 4 months na yon. That's the reason why, after 4 months, nung tinawagan ako ng friend ko, ang galing niya magbilang, last pair na lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, tama-tama, tumawag ka. May nabibili ba nito sa Watson's and Mercury? Sabi niya, wala. Sabi niya, sa Makati lang. So, sinama niya ako sa Makati because sabi niya may discount daw doon. Lo and behold, nakita ko at nakilala ko itong nasa picture na to, one of the leaders of Yasana Philippines, Diane de Guzman. Apparently, she's a leader of Yasana and she's the one who presented to me. Pero that time, wala naman ako idea who's the leader or not. Pero the one who presented, siya yun. Okay? Kung halimbawa, tatanungin niyo ako, na-impress ba ako sa presentation? Siguro kung sa product, not bad. No? They were not technical naman. Wasn't technical that time with the presentation. Hindi mo kailangan maging technical sa presentation. Kailangan mo lang mapaintindi. Malaman ng tao yung value at paano makakatulong yung product sa kanila. So, that's how, I learned about more of the product. Okay? I'm not expecting too much kasi she's a banker that time. Pero, 'di ba? Banker siya, part-time niyang Yusana. Tapos dito siya kumikita. Sabi ko, may ginagawa siya na hindi ko ginagawa. Okay? 23 years old siya, 23 years old ako. Kumakain kami pareho. I'm sure nag-aral din siyang mabuti. Pero bakit gano'n? Kumikita siya ng 254,000 per month. Sabi ko, anong dahilan? Akong katulad ko, 10,000 lang. Siya, 254,000. Tama? Kayo ba? Pag halimbawa, nakita nyo to, no? Tingin mo, fair or unfair? Okay lang, pakitype sa chat box. Okay. Fair kaya na siya kumikita ng 254, ikaw hindi pa? Guys, come on. Fair, spelling ng fair po ah. F-A-I-R. Okay, mamaya F-A-R-E. Okay. Oh, ayan, unfair, no? Pero sabi nga, yes, sabi ni Lyra, no, we get what we tolerate. I tolerated the 10,000. Sabi ko, basta magkaroon ng trabaho, okay lang na maliit sa simula. Di ba? Ganun yung mga mindset na sinasabi sa atin. Wala ang problema doon. Pero come to think of it, if there's a person earning 254,000, why not? So, personally, I was so encouraged. Sabi niya may mga trainings daw. And kung makikita niyo yung picture sa ilalim, no? Sabi ko, gusto ko yung personality development. Kasi by nature, mahihain po ako. Kaya nga marami akong pimples, no? Boyfriend since birth. Kaya sabi ko, kung matututo ako rito, kasi sabi niya, libre yung personality development eh. Sabi ko, bakit hindi? If I'll be learning from people who are better than me more than the income, I'm sure the income will follow. Why not? Tama. And sabi ko, if I get to have that kind of income, guys, by the way, no, I really have plans. Kasi my brother is in New York. So sabi ko, pupunta ako ng New York. Kaya lang that time, as a nurse, hindi ka matatanggap basta-basta. I'm sure maraming mag-agree na mga kakilala nyo, na mga nasa medical field biglang nagkaroon ng closure ng applications and kailangan may experience ka na. So the best way for you to live is through mag-stepping stone ka muna sa ibang countries like Canada. No, estudyante ka muna doon. So I was looking at 300,000 ang kailangan ko para makaalis. At nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, wow, okay, may dalawa akong options rather. Either to do part-time yung sana, tapos eventually makakapunta ako ng ibang bansa, or, you know, if I'll be able to have this income every month, bakit pa ako aalis? Kung pwede naman akong kumita kada buwan nito. And yet, dahil single ang parent ko, no, I can look after my parent. Tapos, sabi ko, I can have that income. Hindi ko kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa. Bakit hindi? But you see, the reason why I had that kind of mindset, kung bakit ayoko rin pumunta ng ibang bansa, basta-basta, because I've been in another country. Okay? I'm not going to negate the people who are living abroad. If you're one of them, it just so happened po, nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon mag-abroad when I was in high school. So I saw how different life is. Hindi siya madali. And I feel for you if you are in abroad, hindi madali ang buhay. And sabi ko that time, every day, wini-wish ko umuwi na talaga. So yung homesick matindi, no? Alam kong yung homesick, hindi siya madali. Every day of my life, when I was in Australia, ayan, gusto ko talagang umuwi. Okay? Kaya nga kahit inoferan ako magdoktor nung taong, alam niyo yun, Pilipino rin doon, mag-aral, sabi ko, uwi po akong Pilipinas. Okay? Between pamilya at the same time, di ba, yung pera, lahat tayo pipiliin natin ang pamilya. Okay? Pamilya, syempre. I'm sure iba pera, pero bottom line, bakit ba tayo nagtatrabaho? Para sa pamilya. So I was thinking, yun, kung pwede akong kumita ng ganyan kalaki, bakit hindi? So na-inspire ako, in short, no? Hopefully ma-inspire din kayo sa mga makikita niyo tonight. Okay, pero yun, anong ginawa ko to begin with, to start with? Hindi naman ako agad-agad may pera. And to be honest with you, when I was presented, umuwi po akong nakatulala. Alam mo yung gustong-gusto mo, pero hindi mo alam kung paano mag-start. So umuwi ako ng bahay. I was thinking, paano ko gagawa ng paraan? And I was able to use the credit card. At the same time, yung back pay ko, galing sa previous work ko. Kasi that time, nakapag-resign na ako sa Department of Health. I was about to transition sa trabaho na secondary hospital. So basically, meron akong ina-anticipate na pera. So, ginamit ko muna yung credit card and then eventually, alam mo yun, I was thinking yung back pay ko, i-cover ko for the expenses sa credit card. Hindi ko credit card, guys, ha? Wala akong credit card. Pag maliit ang income mo, wala kang credit card. Tama, tama! Credit card ang nanay ko. Kasi yung sabi niya sa akin, pag nagkasakit daw siya, anything happens, as a single parent, yun ang aking emergency fund. So, I was thinking, ang pagsa-start ng Usana is an emergency. You know why? Okay? Ganito po kasi yun. Doon sa panahon na napresentan ako, 5 kami sa table. Uso pa dati, pupunta ka ng Makati office, tapos alam mo yun, may mag-represent. And then lahat ng mga pepresentan, I'm sure makaka-relate si Sir Dennis, tsaka si Miss Trina, si Kate, Miss Kate, no? Na talagang papalibutan namin yung mesa. Tapos lahat kami doon, pepresentahan. And believe me or not, during the time I was presented, may right then and there, may nag-start ka agad. So sabi ko, pwede pala yun, mag-start ka agad. Alam mo yun? And I was very skeptic kasi ang hirap eh, wala kang pera. Tama? Ganun talaga. Pag wala kang pera, skeptic. Kaya yung mga skeptic dyan, no? Hello, hello. Skeptic po ako dati, wala akong pera eh. But I'm also thinking, opportunity, bakit hindi? No? So, lo and behold, I started with 15 essentials. To cut the long story short, because I learned from her that, kay Mentor Dayan, that you can be able to, start you sana with, credit card. Tapos at the same time, pwede mong isipin agad kung sino yung mga taong sharean mo. So, sa father side, mother side, mga kaopisina ko, believe it or not, no, yung comparative guide, yun lang ang ginamit ko. So for 10 minutes, I keep sharing that book. Wala naman ako alam sa presentation, but because I was enthusiastic about this, it turned out 14 essentials na sell out ko after a month. And ang pag-uusap namin, kanseras katapusan, so lo and behold, after 1 month, ang bumalik po sa akin, around, kung halimbawa 45,000 ngayon ang pangsimula, na that time, no, ng 500 points, grabe. Um, would you believe, 45,000 yung swipe ko, ang bumalik sa akin, 60,000. So, 15,000 po agad ang tubo ko sa products. And I was able to get one product for free because 15 essentials yun eh. And the rest is history. Pero, come to think of it, ba't kumuha ako ng 3 business centers, hindi 1 business center? Okay, siguro para lang sa karamihan, no? Trivia lang. Bakit hindi 3 agad? Or rather, bakit hindi 1 kung wala kang pera? Kung skeptic ka, bakit hindi 1? Bakit kumuha ka ng 3? Eh, practical din naman po ako. Imagine nyo pwede kang kumuha ng 1. Pwede ka rin kumuha ng 3. Kung wala kang pera, dito ka. Pag skeptic ka, dito ka. Pero tignan mo sinong hindi gusto na yung same effort mo, either 1 or 3 business center, mas malaki ang kapalit ng 3 business centers. Agree? Siyempre, 3 tindahan yan. Mas malaki yung kapalit ng effort mo rito. Pero ang pinaka nagustuhan ko was, imagine mo, pag nag-start ka ng 3 business centers, may mga tinatawag na freebies. Dito, wala. Eh mag-upgrade din naman ako in 4 weeks ng 3 business center. So ina-analyze ko yung mga bagay na yon. Sabi ko, lugi ako pag 1 business center lang. Kaya po, nag 3 business centers po ako agad. Now, I don't mind if you're thinking, Mentor May, kasi nag-start ako, one, yun lang ang kaya ko eh. Don't worry, you can upgrade. Pero wag mong papalagpasin yung upgrade na yan because that would be the chance to, create a bigger result in terms of the effort you're giving in your business. Okay? Kaya po, sa mga hindi pa naka-business centers dyan, isang panawagan, ah ang mentor niyo po or yung business sponsor niyo, hindi siya yung mawawalan kung hindi ka mag-upgrade. Kung hindi ka mag-auto order, hindi siya yung mawawalan. Ikaw. Okay? Maniwala ka kasi I've been in this business for 15 years. And I realize, oo nga no, over time, hindi ko man naiintindihan lahat, pero they were telling me to do this. I just follow. Kasi after all, this is my business eh. Tama? So, alam niyo yun, doing this part-time, that was the beginning of my journey. Hindi siya madali. I'm sure for all of us, karamihan sa inyo may trabaho pa sa mga nagsisimula. Pero I was really into the products as well. I keep sharing the product. Of course, mahiyain. Hindi naman agad-agad magaling ako mag-share. Pero dahil naniniwala ako sa product, I keep sharing. But malaking factor, eventually I transferred to PGH. And the reason why I really thrive in sharing the product was because pag may nakikita ako na may concern, bawa, may migraine, yung boss ko may migraine, alam mo yun, binigyan ko ng 2 pairs. Tapos the following day or 2 days after, bumalik siya sa akin. Sabi niya, ano yung pinatry mo sa aking product? Sabi ko, sa Essentials po. Of course, that time, Essentials pa yung pangalan. Sabi niya, ano meron doon? Ano yung product na yun? Sabi ko, ayun yung vitamins ko. Tapos from there, kinento ko ng todo. It so happened, gusto niya magpapayat. And she was encouraged, pauwi yung asawa niya. No? So, wala pa dating tinatawag na fat loss challenge. Fat loss challenge ko na siya. And 1 month after, she really lost weight. I'm sure if you've seen me presenting, you saw her result already. Pero the bottom line is, because of her result, after a month, 8 people, actually, more or less, 7 to 8 people, kung hindi ako nagkakamali kasi may humabol pa, registered in USANA from PGH. And take note, no, bago pa lang ako that time, ang mga doktor, mga nurses sa PGH are very skeptic. But because I was able to convince one because of that person and that result, again, they saw the result. People buy result. When they saw the result, no, ng boss ko na yon, they were so encouraged na hindi ko na kailangan mag-convince. Siya na yung nagkakaroon ng opportunity to convince. And then they signed up. And because they signed up, doon ko nakita na hindi ko kailangan maging magaling sa'yo sana. And I'm telling this also to the new ones who are part of the Usana business. Hindi mo kailangan maging magiling agad. Okay? I want you to be encouraged na ang product mo ay napakagaling. Number one nga for 6 years in the Philippines. And if you check, di ba, sa Google, what is the number one vitamins in the Philippines? Ang sasabihin niya, Usana. So imaginein mo, yan lang ang nag-iisang nakapatent na vitamins sa buong mundo. So, bakit ka mahihiyang mag-share? So, hindi po ako nahiyang mag-share that time. And I was just so blessed because when I realized hindi ako magaling pero the product is magaling, I know I can thrive in this business. I just know I can thrive in the business. Okay? That's why, ayan, ito yung boss ko, may picture pala ako before. And ready na kayo sa after? Ayan, after, bongga, no? Kaya nga nagkaroon siya ng talagang matinding result na yun yung nakapukaw dun sa mga kasamahan namin sa PGH. Okay? Oo, yan yung product natin. Basta kinareer yung product ha. Kasi yung iba naman, bakit di raw pumayat? Eh baka hindi mo kinareer. It's okay. I'm telling that to myself. Pero siya talagang siguro ina-assume ko lang baka that time. Alam mo yon yung mga asawang lalaki na nasa barko, baka may nakikitang iba. And this was her opportunity to lure her husband back, no? To rekindle that love, that romance. And pumayat po talaga siya. No? Kaya yung isa na malaking tulong sa pag-ibig yan. Okay ba yan? Okay. So much of that. And this was my first income. So because, I just keep sharing the product. That was my main motivation. I became a PBPS. If I can give you a tip, okay? I was looking for the best people that I can share Usana with. I'll give you a tip in a while. Pero ginawa ko talaga yung apat, I have to make sure na mas magaling sa akin. Or, you know, 1 to 10, ang kanilang rating, kung ako ay 8, dapat 8, 9, 10 ang rating din nila. Because I realized, when I was being taught, di ba may basic tayong tinatawag or basic distributors orientation? So I was given that idea na the people who will be starting this business are the ones na yung opportunity seekers din. Pag hindi opportunity seeker, kahit anong invest mo or ng time mo to invite them, they wouldn't really join. So early on, ma kasi I tried also inviting people who are not good, or siguro kung rate ko 8, nasa 7, nasa 6, nasa 5, ang hirap nila i-convince. No, it takes a lot of time. Pero yung mga 8, 9, 10, ang una kong in-invite actually was summa cum laude. So magna cum laude, co-officer ko nung college, and then si Mentor Jan, no? They were the first four. So imagine niyo, hindi ako magaling, mas magaling sila. Again, the reason why they were convinced is because of our opportunity. It turned out, ito yung naging resulta, no? It wasn't a big income at the beginning. Pero tandaan mo, hindi yan ang magde-define ng future mo sa Usana. There's so much more that you can have in Usana. Yung iba, slow start. Yung iba, fast start. But it doesn't matter. What's important is you continue on the journey. Ulitin ko lang, yung iba, fast start. Yung iba, slow start. But what's important is keeping yourself in the business of Usana. Because for me, di naman ako fast start eh. Mas marami pang kumikita na mas malaki sa akin. Pero nakita ko, this is something na very viable for my health, family's health, and for the people that I can help in terms of the opportunity as well. Okay? Kung yung product na paikot ko agad, imagine mo, it took me 1 year ayan, para kumita ng 57,000. Buong buo na yan pumasok sa aking account. Ang na-realize ko lang isang bagay, no? Buti na lang hindi ako nakatingin sa income. Kasi kung nakatingin ako agad sa income, malamang wala na ako sa iyo sana. And probably, hindi ko agad siya na nakita na opportunity na magde-define ng future ko. Little by little. Alam niyo kung ano nakatulong? Yung mga ganitong mga training. Kaya nga, showing up is the most important thing. Attending trainings are the most important thing that you can have at the beginning of your business. Even matagal ka na. Kami hanggang ngayon, ang next gen as a team, they're having training right now. If I'm not here, I'm attending also the training of our team. I never stop attending trainings because all the leaders are learners. So sabi ko, kung I'll be a leader, I have to continually learn in the process of doing the business, no? So anyhow, you're here tonight. Congratulations, no? I want to say you're already there, halfway there in your journey, the success that you are looking forward to. Minsan, kailangan na lang ng application. Okay? Pero ang tanong, paano ko yun tinurn around? So, I was here and it turned out, initially, this was my income. Okay? And yan, may iba naman, may times, may 200. So, totoo yung sinasabi na you can have $100 to $200 per week doing this part-time. Okay, not bad. 5,000 kaysa umuwi ako, o kaya naman, manood ako, mag social media lang ako. I must use my time accordingly, no? Para naman, ma-maximize ko rin tong opportunity na to. After all, nakaka-inspire dahil yung mga nandito, talaga namang, alam mo yon, words of wisdom, iba rin, matindi rin. So, eto na nga, eventually, no, I wasn't that long in the career that I had in PGH. Imagine, it took me 2.5 years to enter PGH. Why did I say 2.5? Because when I graduated, right, then and there, sabi ng boss ko, or ng dean namin, mag-apply ako ng PGH. So, may isa naman akong professor, sabi niya, kasi she had cancer. And the best nurses daw that she encountered are from PGH because uh, they operate from the heart. They operate with a good heart. Imagine, this is the kind of situation that you will see in PGH. I don't know if you've been to PGH. Meron na ba nakapunta rito ng PGH emergency room? Okay. Meron na. Oo, ganyan po sa emergency room. I don't know kung nag-improve na, pero sa totoo lang, pansinin nyo itong naka-stretcher. Okay, I grabbed this photo sa Google because it's so true. Pansinin niyo yung stretcher na yan. Yung stretcher, yung bakal po, yung nakahiga yung may edad na naka-oxygen. Pansinin niyo po, no? Yung stretcher na yan, wala yung foam. Nilagyan lang nila ng damit to cover up part of the body, no? Para hindi siguro masakit. Tandaan mo, bakal yan. Masakit? Pag halimbawa humiga ka dyan? Yes. Pero maniniwala ka ba? Ang mga pasyente po namin sa emergency room alone, they stay there. Yung iba, umaabot ng 1 buwan. Because walang opportunity na magkaroon ng available bed sa ward. So in short, hindi madali ang maging pasyente po ng PGH. Okay? And I say that because the turning point, I was so motivated to do USANA. Pero then and there, I realized as well na I have to pray for this. You know what? Sometimes we are thinking, Lord, para sa akin ba tong Yusana to? Ikaw ba natanong mo na ba sa sarili mo kung para ka talaga rito sa Yusana? Kasi natanong ko rin yan eh. And karamihan naririnig ko ng mga nagsasucess sa Yusana, nagsasucceed, they also ask the same thing. And in one of, the opportunities I had with a patient, alam niyo yung basketball, 'di ba? Some of you have heard this already, pero I always tell this because this has been my turning point. So, it turned out pumasok ako sa work, yung isa sa mga pasyente ko, alam niyo yung bola ng basketball, yung dila niya, yung maliit na dila, naramdamin mo yung dila mo ngayon, kasing laki at lumobo siya ng kasing laki ng bola ng basketball at nangingitim na. So, kung bakit nagkaganon, oral cancer, 5 months ago, normal ang buhay, 5 months after, literal, nagbago ang buhay at naubos yung pera nila. Ngayon, meron siyang tubo, dumediretso na lang sa may lalamunan niya. Okay? At dun sa kanyang digestion, sa may stomach. Literally po, no? Umayat siya ng todo. Ang kinakain niya, nakita ko that time eh. Alam mo yung box ng, yung Tetra Pak ng, ng Bear Brand. Yun yung iniinom niya. Sobrang payat. Way, way back before, may pera naman daw sila. Kwento sa akin ng asawa, si tatay. No, may pera naman sila. Pero, eventually, naubos yung pera nila. At nung naubos yung pera nila, nagkautang-utang, akala nila pag dinala sa PGH, definitely, mabibigyan sila ng gamot, 'di ba? Free healthcare. Pero hindi rin kasi libre yung gamot sa public hospital, lalo na pag matataas na klase na. Libre yung service, pero yung gamot hindi po. Kaya nga nung sinabi ko kay tatay, sana magawa ng paraan yung gamot, nilagyan ng reseta, sabi niya gagawa niya pa rin ng paraan. Now, natapos po yung shift namin, walang dumating na gamot. And after the following day, then and there, naging pasyente ko pa rin siya. Mga around 20 yung pasyente ko. Ganon karami ang pasyente, kada nurse. At marami po kami mga nurses doon. Siya yung naging pasyente ko. Ang sabi niya sa akin, nurse, pumirma na ako ng HAMA. Kasi yun yung tawag doon eh, HAMA. Home Against Medical Advice. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit po? Sabi niya, walang-wala na raw siyang mautangan. Ang nakikita niya na lang na paraan, iuwi yung asawa niya, hayaang mamatay. Alam mo, nung time na yun, talikod ako, talagang iyak talaga ako eh. Kasi wala akong magawa eh. Kung may pera lang ako, malamang matutulungan ko sila. Kaya lang, kano lang din ang sweldo ko at sumusuporta na rin ako ng pamilya. Breadwinner, diba? Yun nga lang, bread lang, di pa winner. Kaya sabi ko, Lord, thank you for this challenge because I know that challenge gave me that spirit para magkaroon ng courage to really decide. Okay? Decide to do what? I was praying to do this full time, but I don't have any valid reason, especially yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. They want me also go abroad, and they also are waiting for me na makarating doon. Syempre, at the moment, sumuporta. Eh? So, alam niyo yung resignation ko, and this is not for everybody ha, pero for me, this was a prayer. And because I know God's answering our prayer in a very special way. I know God answered me in a very special way. 15 days irrevocable yung resignation ko. Okay, take note ha, PGHL. Ibig sabihin, uh, 300 kami nag-apply. Out of the 300, 8 lang kaming nakapasa. At after 2.5 years, dalawa lang kami nakapasok. At kasabayan ko syempre mga UP students. Hindi naman ako graduate ng UP eh. Galing ako sa Cavite po. Pero dahil mataas lang ang aking spirit, kahit pa paano na makapasok, I'm sure I have that feeling na if I'm going to do well, I can, be part of PGH. Kinlaim ko na kasi. Pag kinlaim mo ang isang bagay, mangyayari. So I claimed it and that was the motivation to really take risk. Eh, bakit? Kasi nakita ko to. Sabi rito, successful take big risk that they may fall hard but they might succeed more than they ever dreamed to. Sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. And when I learned that, I had that eagerness. Sabi ko, nagawa na ng iba eh. Of course, the risk is, very costly. I gave up a job na when other people are asking me, why did you give up that job? Sabi ko, to be honest, ayoko. Kaya lang, may mga higit pa akong kailangan na i-prioritize more than the job. Yung career ko pwede kong balikan eh. Pero yung sana, yung opportunity dito, pag lumipas na, hindi ko na pwedeng balikan. And that's the reason why, alam niyo yun, nagpaalam akong mabuti. No, siyempre pinipare ko, may yung mga mahal ko sa buhay na sumuporta all along. Talagang nagsabi ako sa kanila at nagpaalam. Hindi lang yun basta-basta desisyon na ganun-ganun lang. Kasi bakit, di ba? Ang kinakain ko that time, naalala ko, nagsimula ako. Skyflix para lang mabusog. Yung tipong parang pag nagpe-present ka, mataas ang energy mo, marami kang kinain, pero totoo lang wala kang kinain, Skyflix lang ang baon mo. Ang bumubuhay sa akin that time, binibigyan ako ng kahit pa paano. Pag nakikita kami ni mentor dyan, yan, binibigyan niya ako ng pangkain. Minsan niyadala niya ako ng pagkain. Malaking bagay yon how I got to overcome yung gutom. No, yung pagod okay lang yan eh, pero yung gutom, alam mo yon, kailangan kahit pa paano may energy ka. So, malaking bagay din yung training. Kasi pag nag-training ako, nakikita ko sila mentor Mel that time, baliw na baliw talaga ako. Tapos tawa lang ako ng tawa every time yung mga training. Alam mo yon, kaya iba pa rin talaga if I can encourage you, go to a live training because a live training is totally different. Nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi ng mga taong nandoon sa platform. Okay, I have nothing against online, pero ako personally, hindi ko to cup of tea, no? Hindi ko talaga to forte. Because I've tried being in person. Iba yung tumatawid yung energy versus sa online. Okay? Kaya to kahit taas ng energy ko rito, I don't know kung ma-absorb yung fully ang energy ko. Pero that's my goal. Kahit online, sana makatawid. Okay? Ayan. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nag-email ako sa kuya ko. Kuya ko na nasa New York. That was March, around March. Oh, parang last month ago lang. Pero way back 2011. Sabi ko, Kuya and ate, allow me to read. I would like to give courtesy regarding my decision to do USANA full-time. I know it will be a big decision to make. I did contemplate long, maraming considerations. PGH is a long-time goal. However, there is one thing going through my mind. Sabi ko to take risk. Guess what, no? Sobrang linaw sa akin ng vision ko that time that I can make it here in USANA. Pero this was my justification. Sabi ko kasi, if I'm seeing myself not staying for long, being employed, I might as well do it now than later. It's the same banana. The big difference is time. I have found the real challenge in what I do now. I have a bigger hope for the future. It may sound ridiculous, but yes, my deeper why for doing Yasan has gone bigger. Okay, the two of you are important. Yung kanyang asawa, kuya ko at asawa niya, and my success for the past years in my career was because of the unending support I have received from both of you despite of all ups and downs. That alone, I'm truly blessed. Please understand me as I go through the journey of life. It'll be hard, but with your presence and God's grace, I know I will make it. And alam nyo, ito yung pangalan ko, Ling, kasi bulinggit ako eh. Kasi nga premature. So, Ling, bulinggit. Yan yung aking nickname. Okay? At ito ay syempre yung reply ng kuya ko. Ready na kayo? Sabi niya sa akin, Ling, I tried calling your phone but could not connect for whatever reason. I don't think Yusana will be good for the long term. In my opinion, you should have a permanent job with steady paycheck and then do business part-time. But what do I know, right? A Yusana, I think, is an MLM type of business. Tama naman. The business model usually stays but the products usually changes. Ito medyo sa akin, hindi niya kasi nakita yung nakita ko. I'm sure he's judging based on what he knows. Okay? Anyway, just to give you a konting trivia, they left the Philippines because dun sa military, he's a military officer, merong mga investment scam. So, na-scam sila. And that was the reason why he's very negative about what I do. No? Kasi he's been there, done that. Pero it was also because of him that I got inspired kasi he was reading before Rich Dad Poor Dad. So, I guess that was the reason why I really read that book and was inspired to join Yosana. Okay? But going back, parang sayang lang kasi sabi niya, a lot of my friends are still in the Philippines and wanted to go other countries like the US, Canada, Australia, but has no opportunity of realizing their wishes. You have the perfect opportunity to realize this, but instead, ay, tingnan niyo mabuti to you are trying to squander everything. Nung nabasa ko to, iyak ako ng iyak. Kasi feeling niya, sinayang ko yung opportunity ko. Trying to squander everything that you work hard for before. Sabi niya, how much will you earn out of it? How many sleepless nights are you willing to sacrifice? Can this support you and your family until you grow old? Sabi niya, marami pang questions sa utak ko, Ling. You cannot just entrust your future with blind faith. I just don't think Sana is the answer. I have not even heard of the product here. Pero, sabi niya sa dulo, but what do I know, right? Alam niyo, nabasa ko to talaga na heartbroken ako. And that gave me more courage that I have to show him kung ano man yung resulta ko sa iyo sana at the moment, hindi yun yung resulta makikita niya a year or 2 years after. Kaya po, no, nag-email ako sa kanya ng ganito. Okay? Kuya, honestly, when you come here, I may do already Yosana as a full-time. What prompted me is the urgency to grow. And my orientation tells me widely to do business and not be employed. So may sarili akong prinsipyo, pero alam ko yung prinsipyo niyon, paninindigan ko. At alam kong kakayanin ko kasi hindi ako nag-iisa eh. Kasama ko ang Lord. Tama ba? Pag ang isang bagay, kasama mo nga ang Lord, alam mo, sa isip mo, sa puso mo, nakakayanin mo. Definitely. No? Kasi hindi ka nag-iisa. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa, malamang matatakot ka. Pero pag alam mo may kasama ka, hindi ka papabayaan, gagabayan ka. So, you know, I really brave presentations. This was one of the presentations that I had before. No, Dina Bolivi, are you familiar with her? So she's part of the team. The family, because speaking of, no, hindi siya talaga, please don't post this online, okay? But, for the purpose of sharing to you, uh, I shared you this picture because she's one of the people na tingin kong napaka-skeptic about Yusana. Okay, probably you don't know why. Because somebody gave her the product. Sabi sa kanya, makakatulong sa'yo to, i-take mo to. But because she doesn't understand the product, what happened was, she took the product, nakita niya sa ihi, ayan, luma pa yung product na yan, ayan yung mga unang product pa dati, dilaw yung ihi niya. Alam niyo po, dahil naging dilaw yung ihi niya, tinigil niya. Natakot siya eh. Kala niya kung anong nangyari sa kanya. So, na-expire na lang yung product. Tapos, si, isa sa mga associates namin, turned out, wanted to share her the product because that time, mataas yung kanyang SGPT. Yun yung liver values. Recently, nagkaroon tayo ng promo about Hepacil, right? But, during that time, her liver is suffering, mataas yung kanyang laboratory. Sabi ko, when you take your sana, bababa yan, along with the other products. So, right then and there, would you believe, because she understands, she took the application form. Kumuha siya ng package kaagad. Amazing, di ba? Again, it's the product that she was convinced with. Okay, I was just a messenger. And because she felt the difference, lahat ng mga kamag-anak niya became part of Yusana as well. Ay, and in a separate occasion, I presented kay Danica, kay Oyo Boy, another family friend, and kay Christine Hermosa. Sobrang kakastruck talaga, no? Starstruck literal si Christine Hermosa. Para siyang panika in person. Pero amazing how they all signed up for you sana. Okay? But of course, they are not paid, so they do not endorse. You might be wondering why celebrities that you see in pictures when it comes to sharing of Usana products are not actually sharing. It's because they are not paid. Okay? The moment na lumabas to, no, Usana has to pay them. Okay? But Usana does not pay. They will pay for the product because the product is really good. Ganyan ang Usana. Hindi kailangan ng artista. No? Sino bang companies ang maraming artista? Ay, alam niyo na ha? Sila may artista, tayo wala. Meron tayong mga athletes. Again, they're not paid as well. They're just using the product. Amazing, 'di ba? Mahalang bayad sa ads pa lang. Alam niyo 'yan. 'Di ba? Pag nanggaling ang product sa mismong pagawaan, bababayan sa consumer, yung malaking cut ng cost niyan galing sa bayad sa mga artistang nagpo-promote. So lumalaki yung presyo ng produkto. Inyo sana, binabypass natin 'yun. What we have are you sana ambassadors, katulad mo, katulad ko, na nagpo-promote, nagiging messenger when it comes to the goodness of the product. And in turn, we are the ones being paid na mas malaki. Okay? I'm not saying na artista tayo levels, pero because we are sharing the product really well, that's why we get to be able to be paid well as well. Oh, so much wellness here, di ba? Kaya nga, ang sana po, kung magaling ka mag-share in a way na intindihan mo yung value, I'm sure you're going to thrive here. Okay? So, I'm gonna give you a tip. This is the part that I'd like you to understand some tips. Okay? Really, no, when it comes to Usana, how will, kasi some of you have been here for quite some time thinking, paano ba magdadaya mo director? Or how can I become, as a leader who has a big organization? Here's the thing, sponsoring is your key skill. And I know that is something na ayaw ng karamihan, tama? Lalo na pag mahiyain ka, katulad ko. Pero unless you get over it, as soon as you get over it. Ay, bakit? Kasi lahat ng mga taong earning really good are good in sponsoring. Okay? When you do it right, it will set you free. If you don't do it right, if you do it wrong, it will be a certain disaster. So one way or another, this is something that I have really understood in the process, no? Paano ba mag-sponsor ng tama? Can I give you some tips, more tips? Okay? I want you to understand these three steps. Okay? Kasi ang pag-i-sponsor is 95% selection process. Okay? Mamimili ka. Hindi lahat magiging part ng team mo. And that's okay. Okay? Kasi gusto natin yung mga tao rin who has the same passion like us. Okay? Meron kang ka-team, a sponsor mo, pero hindi naman into what you do, definitely, it's not gonna work. Pero if you want a valid, a solid result, you have to find the skill of sponsoring. You have to learn. Lahat naman tayo natututo dito sa area na to eh. Pero how do you sponsor? Step one, no? Know what you want. Okay. I want you to list down ano ba yung top 3 na attributes or character na gusto mo from the person who will become your team. Sige nga, I'll give you 10 seconds. Just 3 attributes. Pag sabing attributes, we're talking about character. Okay? Ano ba sa'yo yung taong gusto mong ma-sponsor? Can you give me at least 3? Ayan, let's type it in our chat box. This is the time now that I would need your participation, your response, because, ayan, no? Makakatulong to ng malaki para sa'yo. How you'll be able to thrive in sponsoring. Sabi ni Joy, masipag. Yes, of course, gusto natin na masipag. Ano pa? Okay? Yan, isa sa mga attribute or character yan. Yan, sabi ni Lyra, with big desire for better life. Discipline, leader, material. Sabi ni Joy, in addition sa masipag, basunurin. Yan, may GLLA, tama? Okay, good listening and learning attitude. Thank you, sabi ni Patricia. GLLA, ayan, mukhang nabasa ko ahead of time. Coachable, sabi ni Fina. Sabi ni Rosemary, teachable. Sabi ni Sir Dennis, consistent. Sabi ni Ate Shirley, with deep why. Alright. Matindi yung motivation, ano? Sabi ni Jamila, driven, committed, willing to learn. Yeah, definitely. Gusto natin ang willing to learn. Yan, GLLA, kaya nga malaking factor tinuturo natin yan sa mga bago eh. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging magaling. Sometimes you have to just listen at the beginning, no? And syempre, humble, sabi ulit ni Joy. So tatlo na yun, no? Masipag, masunurin, humble. And for Trina, works hard, disiplinado, may willingness. Sabi ni Miss Pressy, may pangarap. The reason why I'm asking you this is because with you and me and with others, magkakaiba tayo ng culture na sineset sa team natin. Okay? And, you know, if you are able to understand what you really want, no, in a person, I just don't encourage three. In fact, I would want you to spare another time, list an attribute of 30 to 40 characters, attributes that you would want the person na gusto mong matulungan. But apart from that, no, mag-decide ka kung ano yung top 12 mo na priority. And I want you to put it in front of you so that you will not be negated by people na walang ganong character. Okay? Oo. Yes. Kailangan meron din tayong tinatawag na selection process. Okay? Okay, next. Be what you want. When I see this be what you want, of course, no, we have to be the person that we want based from this character. Okay? I want you to, apart from choosing your 12, this time, rate yourself given, dun, simulan natin sa tatlo. Yung tatlo na yan, halimbawa, masipag, masunurin, humble. Can you rate yourself 1 to 10? Okay? Based on that three na pinili mo na character attribute, can you just check yourself, assess where you are right now, 1 to 10? Okay? Because the reason why we're doing this, when you identify where you are right now and feeling mo kulang ka pa doon, then work on it day in and day out. Work on that character. Sometimes it's not about the result right away. Hindi magpapakita ang numbers because I believe at the end of the day, it's about who you are being as a being, no? And eventually, being that character will show and you will attract the people na gusto mong makuha as part of your team. Okay? Sabi nga ni Elon Musk, speaking of Elon Musk, sabi niya, my biggest mistake has been weighing too much on someone's skill and not their character. Okay? It matters whether someone has a good heart. Tandaan mo na hindi skill ang batayan ng taong ma-invite mo sa iyo sana. Because whether we like it or not, malaking factor, no? Kung bakit tayo nag invite nakikita natin magaling sila. But you see, part also ng pag invite yung tinatawag na form, FORM, di ba? You talk about their family, occupation, recreation, and then your motivation. We talk about those things. Pero, paano ako na-attract sa tao? Malaking factor yung motivation. Yung may malaking pangarap. Because I know that person has a character. If they have the character, and, feeling ko, they possess that. Yung mga gusto kong mga values, character, attribute, then I know they will be part of my team. They can be part of my team. And that's how I invite. I don't look for just skills or achievement of that person. Okay? Pero ito yung number three. Know what they want. Okay? Pag sinabi kong know what they want, what are um the things that matters to them? Okay? Know what they want. Do you wanna know kung ano yung top 5 na hinahanap ng mga taong mga magagaling? Okay? Can I share you this? Ito yung top 5 na hinahanap ng prospects nyo. And most likely, no, there's something that you can reflect on this and realize from this. Okay? Kasi the number one people are looking for are the people, okay, in your organization. That's why ABC is a major key when you're doing the business. What I'm trying to say is this. Malaking factor yung ABC. If hindi ka magaling mag-ABC, mag-build up ng mga leaders mo or yung mga taong tutulong sa'yo, tutulong din sa kanila eventually, they wouldn't be able to value itong kung ano yung meron ka. So malaking bagay yung ABC, the way you build up, edify the people in your opportunity in our business because that's how they're going to be attracted. Ay, malamang. For some of you, you were attracted in Usana because somebody introduced you to another person who has the result. And you wanted that kind of result. Parang ako, yung kay Dayan de la Peña, mentor, 'di ba? Tapos may ganung income. Tapos, alam mo yon, despite of the result, they are still approachable, they're very humble. And nakita ko, sabi ko, these are the people that I want to work with. I don't want to work with people na ang pinag-uusapan lagi, may sweldo na ba? Tama! Kasi if that's the kind of thinking, chances are, magiging ganun din ako. And malamang magrereklamo ako palagi pag wala pang sweldo. Okay? Gets? Alright. Ayan o. Sabi ni Lyra, mentor niya raw yung kanyang lifestyle, mentor Mads. Okay? Number two, challenges. Okay, you know that you are talking to the right person if they are willing to be challenged. Okay? These are the prospects na gustong-gusto ko. Kasi pag sinabing, gusto mo ba tulungan kita? Right then and there, you will hear them say yes. But say for example, in the presentation, tinatanong mo siya, gusto mo ba matulungan din kita magkaroon ng ganitong resulta? Tapos naramdaman ko may hesitation. Hindi pa yun yung prospect na hinahanap ko. Pero pag sabi ang yes, I'm sure, no, na ito yung tamang tao. Pero might as well, let them be challenged. Huwag kayong matakot i-challenge yung mga taong, alam mo yun, who can be part of your team. Bawa, challenge them to become a goal director. Ba, yung kanina, 'di ba? You can become a goal director, have this income. Gusto mo ba tulungan kitang magkaroon ng ganitong resulta? If they say yes, these are the people that you're looking for. And prospects are really, encouraged to, they're really excited to be part of that. Okay? Next is opportunity. Huwag kayong mahiya mag-share ng opportunity. This is what you can enjoy when you do Usana. Okay? Actually, if you do this, you can have really good health, but at the same time, merong kang income potential. If you do the opportunity, of course, $100 to $200 part-time, pwede na ba yun? Tapos yung company natin, nasa US. And it's been around 30 years, so assured ka na this is going to stand long. So if you're going to be part of that, tas later on, imagine mo meron kang tinatawag na options, no? When it comes to having more time with your family, your result for the next 40 years, if you're 20 right now, pwede nating makuha yan sa loob ng 10 taon. How do I know? May mga tao na nakuha nun. Ako wala pa doon. Pero, I'm getting there. Di ba? Ganyan. Ganyan dapat ang mga mindset natin pag nag encourage tayo ng mga associate or mga potential na mga prospect. Okay? And then, they're also looking for growth. If you say the word growth, sinong hindi gustong mag-grow as a person? Lalo na pag yung company nila, matindi yung politics, tas dito mag-grow sila, they will be attracted to that. Finally, tingnan nyo this is the last one. I did not say money as the first thing na hinahanap ng mga prospect because, we can never really understand what Usana offers until we realize later on kung ano talaga yung kayang ibigay. Ma-appreciate mo yung income later on in the business Kasi pag kumikita ka na, pero hindi yan yung motivation na number one. Kaya pag halimbawa nag-i-invite ka at yan ang pang-invite mo, kikita ka rito, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, most of the time doesn't work. Gets? Yung iba kasi number one nila yung money. Pero if you wanna have this prospects and you wanna sponsor so well, you really educate them when it comes to the people around your opportunity, the challenges, the opportunity, and the growth. No, last na lang yung money. Are we learning so far? So imagine if you will have this kind of invitation. Okay, last two, no, I want you to understand that when you have this kind of, sharing sa iba, you will know kung sino yung prospect. But if there's another two things that I would like you to take note of, i-check mo if there's something that they will love. And finally, if they are able to love this, parang pag-ibig, di ba? Oo naman. No? Ako rin gumagawa ako ng listahan ng mga qualities, traits, character ng taong magugustuhan ko. Si Mentor Jen nyo ay resulta ng sinulat ko na mga character. Kasi napanood ko sa Oprah before, you have to, list the character ng taong gusto mong makasama habang buhay. Okay? Anyway, ano lang naman yun. You have to check if they love this. Okay? Because if they do, then that's gonna be someone na you're looking for. Okay? Gets nyo ba? So, keep sharing nyo sana. And don't be negated or you feel demotivated pag hindi sila nag-yes sa'yo. Because the bottom line, we are also looking for the right person. Tama? After all, we're going to build a big team. You're going to build a team who's going to be successful. You want to build people na gusto mo rin maging successful. Otherwise, ang hirap mag-invest ng panahon, ng energy sa taong ayaw maging successful. Gets niya ba ako? So right from the start, iset na natin agad yung tone, the people that we want to be part of the team. So yung mga leaders nyo rito, pasalamatan nyo because I know they are the product of this. And I know they love you, Sana. That's why they care for you. They wanted you to have this kind of training so that you will continue, you will thrive really well. Okay? So ano yung naging resulta because I was doing this, no? I'm still doing it, and this is how I do my Usana business. I really make sure that, you know, if if I want to thrive, sponsoring is my key skill. And I should know what I want and be what I want and really know help others know what they want. Okay? So pag ginawa niyo to, ano yung pwede mangyari? Oh, this has been my result. All right? Okay, when I made the decision to do Usana, alam nyo, it so happened na 3 months after coming from PGH, this has been the income. So, I earned 4 weeks ng Gold Director income. And then after that, solid kung mapapansin nyo, the next 3 weeks, I was able to finish yung Leadership Summit. Okay? Yung free travel na tinatawag. And another 3 weeks more, I was able to earn my first million. If you understand what it takes to earn your first million, maniwala kayo, maiintindihan niyo paano kumita ng succeeding millions niyo sana. Okay? Uulitin ko, if you understand how to earn your first million, you will know how to earn the succeeding million. And malaking factor yung sponsoring. Okay? And yun, dahil naintindihan ko po, God is good, no? I was really exposed to the people who can help me grow. I became a director. Tapos I was with people who are, doing this with passion. I know they love you sana. And I'm truly appreciative of them. I'm sure some of them, si Trina and Miss Trina, si Sir Dennis, familiar pa sa mga taong nandiyan sa picture. Then again, okay, I became a gold director and yung nanay ko dati na nagsasabing tigas-tigas ng ulo ko. Alam niyo po, sinama ko sa US. Na-approve siya ng 10-year multiple. Ako rin po na-approve that time. The reason why, isa ako sa mga taong nag-thrive na makapunta ng US because yung brother ko nasa US. And I wanted to tell him the results that I have back then. So I became a gold director, tapos pumunta kami ng New York. Ayan siya, oh, nasa gitna. Oh, picture po niya to. Ito yung kuya ko. Ayan. Yung kuya ko, pinresentan ko. Alam mo yung kuya ko, after ko mag-present, nag-pay in. Diba? And grabe, nag-pay in siya. Tapos consistent yung order niya, 200 points. Bawal po kasi sa kanya, sa work niya, mag-Usana dahil meron silang tax, parang advantage pagdating sa work niya. No, he works in the United Nations sa US. So, anyhow, 200 points din yan, solid every month. But the point here, apart from, gaining the trust coming from him, eventually I'm able also to have that initial travels coming from Yusana. And guess what, no? Ayan, ang pinakamasarap, nagkaroon ako ng option to stay here in Makati. Tapos at the same time, na-meet ko in person si Dr. Myron Wentz. So guys, this coming August, if you wanna see Dr. Myron Wentz in flesh, yeah, go to USANA convention in the US. Ay, bibilisan ko na lang for the next parts. Pero, alam mo yon, the first results that I had with USANA, of course, lahat yan naging resulta dahil madunong ako sa part ng sponsoring. And of course, I was able to create a team who are thriving as well. I'm not gonna take the credit for that because hindi ako makakarating sa ganitong sitwasyon na may magiging resulta if not for them as well. Pero malaking bagay ang pagsusponsor. So, eto, nakakuha kami ng ah, sasakyan, no? Try mo lang mag-add in your mind kung magkano yung mga lahat ng yan. No? First property, and second property, and yan. Hindi ako nagpakasal once. Mahal na mahal ko si mentor dyan. 3 beses ko siyang pinakasalan. Yeah! Baligtad, ano? Oh, pwede naman eh, kasi nag sana. Tama? Pwede po yun. So, imagine mo lahat yan. Ay, pag tinatanong ako magkano, lagi kong sinasabi, 45,000 lang. Kasi 45,000 lang naman ako nagsimula. Utang pa yun. Di ba? The rest is history. Eh? And ito yung goal namin. Dito po kami nakatira ngayon, dito sa bahay na to. Nakuha namin yan during pandemic. Imagine mo, pandemic times, ano, napaka-challenging ng buhay. Pero it was also the time that we have been blessed with a house, yung ready to occupy na. Okay? Kasi alam niyo yun, we wanted to have this bigger house built that time. Ang tagal ma-release ng title. So, sabi namin, meanwhile, bili muna tayo ng bahay until makapag-transfer tayo doon sa goal na bahay. Okay? And itatayo po siya. Taga Antipolo po ako right now. Nandito ako. And Antipolo tong bahay na gagawin din namin na dream house. And hopefully sa mga goal directors, no? Ayan, free entrance. Kasi meron po kami dyan. Sabi nga ni mentor dyan, pag siya po ay nagtutok, may magtatanong dyan, please enter your ID number. Pag chinek ng system, di ka pa goal director. Ayan, sayang naman. Ay, pasok ka dyan. Pag goal director ka, definitely free ang entrance. Okay? At dahil po dyan, ano, it gave us opportunities as well to decide for our birth. Took us time, mga siguro after 3 years. We delayed our first pregnancy. Bakit? Kasi ang sinabi ng mentor ko, sa mga single dyan, can I encourage you? Sabi ng mentor ko, mag-diamond director muna kayo. Pag nag-diamond director kayo, saka kayo mag-baby. So, alam niyo yan, JLLA talaga eh. Good listening and learning attitude. And now, I realize, buti na lang nakinig ako kasi kung hindi, it will be a different story. It's gonna be challenging. But those were the years na, alam mo yun, after namin mag-decide na mag-baby, nag-diamond kami, we've been blessed according to God's timing, and we were able to own our birth. Ay, sa mga doktor po dyan, ayan, kung bakit ako nag-decide na to, mag-home birth, actually water birth yan eh. Kaya lang napagod ako, na-relax ako sa tubig. Kaya napunta ako sa kama, nasa kama na ako, nanganak na ako. Ay, kung bakit, kasi sa hospital, as a medical personnel, alam na alam ko, CS po agad ang magiging hantungan ko. Kasi nga naman first birth eh. Matagal talaga ang first birth. I'm sure may mga mamis dito na mga karelate. It would take time. But I praise God because I am given the right opportunity to celebrate life na nasa bahay. Kaya after niya, naligo lang ako. Tapos, ayun, nandiyan na kami ng mag-anak ko. Hindi kami nagkaroon ng kung ano pa man na hirap sa ospital. Okay? And eto na po yung batang yon. She's already 8 years old. And when she was 7, in advance namin yung dibo niya. Ay, you might be wondering, bakit? Ayan, kasi may option. Tama, yung sana. Pero, ayan, to give you a glimpse, this is how it looks like. Okay, so bakit ko in advance? Kasi alam ko na by 16, ang plano namin sa kanya, kung gugustuhin niya po, no, mag-aaral na siya sa abroad. Again, dahil sa iyo sana. Amazing? Siyempre, at the moment, because we're doing homeschooling, we wanted her to experience what world is all about so she can learn from it. And with all the travels that we have had so far, kasama lagi siya. Kaya marami rin siyang visa. Okay? May visa siya ng US, 10-year multiple entry. Ayan, buti na lang may sana. Shenzhen sa Europe, South Africa, sa Korea, and then sa Japan. Amazing? Oh, alam niya na ha? Yung sana, kasagutan dyan. And syempre, we had lots of, travels more than that. And ako, ang pinaka na-enjoy ko is this. Punta kami ng Disney Cruise, pumunta kami sa Naipalad. It's the only 6-star resort here in the Philippines. And we were able to experience what quality travel is all about. Alam mo ba yung quality travel? Ay, bigyan kita ng ano ng konting something to look forward to. Hindi para i-brag, pero gusto ko ma-realize mo na mangyayari to sa'yo one day. Ang travel na very luxurious is when meron kang tinatawag na butler. Butler, may personal assistant ka who will design your activities, what you're gonna eat. You have a personal chef also who will do your food, and bibigyan ka na, may only wine. Only wine. And so lahat free. Travel, yung excursions are free, massage are free, may nanny ka pa na pwedeng magbantay sa bata. Yan yung luxurious na travel. And again, ano nagbigay? Yung sana, no? And eto na siya ngayon. Of course, we have had opportunities to do this just recently yesterday. And nag-podium finish siya yesterday and last Saturday. Nag-aquathlon kami. Ang aquathlon po, it's a swim and run. And yesterday we had an open water swim. So kasama ko siya no nag-swim. And I am really enjoying. Swimming is not my cup of tea. Pero because of my child, I'm so encouraged. And because of the options we have, ako yung sumasabay sa kung anong gusto niya. That way, I know she will be able to thrive well. I'm sure kung ganyan ang goal ng mga parents, what a way to really grow your child na nasasabayan natin kung anong gusto nila. Rather than us telling them what they want to do in their life, what if we ask them what they want and tayo aaralin natin maging parte ng mundo nila and mas maging open sila na alam mo yon mapapalaki natin sila ng maayos. Of course, we're not perfect, pero ayan, no, just this year, I think before the year ended last year, we were able to get this. Sabi ko, dagdagan natin para may sarili ako. Ayan. Kasi yung lahat ng sakya namin, yung isa binigay ko sa nanay ko, yung isa sa asawa ko, tapos yung isa binonus ko pa nung nag-40th siya. Pero ako wala akong sariling sakyan eh. Laging iba muna. Ayan, ngayon, ito naman para sa akin. So ito po yung ginagamit ko right now. Alright? But experience, pagdating sa travel, ay iba rin talaga pag nag-iisa na. So, kung gusto mo maging masaya ang birthday, this year, trabahuhin mo yung Dubai. Para next year, ito yung isa sa mga bagay na gawin natin together doon. Okay lang? Magsa-skydive tayo? Okay. Takot ka ba? Huwag ka mag-alala, takot din ako. Pero, masaya tong gawin. No? When I became 30, I did skydiving in Australia. Kasabay po ng travel ng sana yan. Yeah. So bonus na lang naman yan. Pinadla lang namin sa itinerary namin. Pero what a great experience. And syempre, nung nag-South Africa naman, sa Cape Town, sinabay ko na rin yung travel. Kaya naman, ito, nag-bungee jump din ako no, sa pinakamataas na bridge sa buong mundo. Okay? Ayan. So, basically, may tumulak lang din sa akin. And ayan, yan yung in-encourage ko sa inyo tonight. Hindi, in-encourage ko ma-experience yung fully yung business nyo. Alright, the opportunities that can lie behind para maging meaningful, purposeful ang buhay niyo po. No? Hindi lang puro 8 to 5 na trabaho, uuwi, pagod, puyat, overtime, TY. There's something more to do to have a meaningful na buhay. And because if you have a life that's meaningful and purposeful, you'll be able to share it to other people and you become a blessing to them by inspiring them as well. So, syempre, may mga training outside the country and masama tayo dyan. Syempre, kasama rin yung team, no? When you thrive with a team, I'm sure it's going to be a business that would be easier. So, I'm just so blessed because kasama ko sila. Now, finally, eto, I remember, do you remember the story kanina? I'm about to end, pero yung nanay ko na sinabi ko na, actually kaya ako nag-resign, malaking motivation ko yung nanay ko. Kasi sabi ko, pag nagkasakit siya, alam kong wala kang pera, malamang, sasabihin ko rin, iuwi ko na lang siya, hayaan ko na lang din siya mamatay. But I praise God because God answered my prayers way back 2011. And, you know, when it was 2023, we learned that she was sick. But, with all my loved ones who were busy back then, because of you sana, naalala niyo yung hindi lang pera, hindi lang yung good health yung kayang ibigay oras. So, during the time na nasa hospital siya for 2 weeks, ako po yung nakabantay sa kanya. And I could have done the same thing with my patients if I had been working as a nurse. Pero iba yung nag-aalaga ka habang buhay pa na may quality care, pagmamahal sa mahal natin, no? Especially magulang. Lahat tayo nagplanong mag-give back. Pero gusto ko itanong sa iyo, ngayong gabi, ikaw ba naka-give back ka na? Or do you think you can do more? Because if you say to yourself that you can do more, you sana, I believe, is one of the opportunities na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo para magawa mo rin ito. Makapag-prepare in advance for the future. And right now, my mother, ayan, she's well thriving, she's recovering, no? And nakakatuwa lang kasi sabi ko sa kanya, ma, ah, sabi ko sa kanya nung weekends, ma, sama ka, mag-Bali tayo. Okay ba yon? So before, sinama ko na siya sa travel, no? Of course, sa US that time, nakita niyo naman yung picture kanina. Pero one of the meaningful na mga travels din namin was we had a Christmas wherein both my parents-in-law at saka yung mother ko, binigyan namin sila ng European cruise. Kasama ko, anak ko at saka yung asawa ko. So, pero, ayun, with the many travels that we've been together, I'm sure there are still opportunities to celebrate life. So, habang buhay yung mga parents natin, huwag nating hayaan na lumipas yung pagkakataon na hindi natin maparamdam sa kanila yung pagmamahal natin sa kanila. Tama ba? Or kung hindi man parents, baka may mga buhay pa kayo ng mga loved ones na talagang gusto nyong bigyan ng, alam mo yun, ng pagmamahal. Gawin natin as soon as possible. Galingan natin sa'yo sana. Kasi hindi imposible eh. You might be wondering, uh, I'm down to my second to the last slide. I started with three. Si Mentor John started with one. And this has been the result so far. When this year started, I just want to make you look, no, kung ano yung nangyari sa amin. No, why is it so worth it to do Sana? Apart from the health, of course, income, and of course, yung tinatawag nating time, the reason why, I wouldn't say nag-retire kami na maaga, pero I can truly say na the reason why we are able to thrive is because we get an income. That's what you call leverage, no? And so far, lahat na nakita nyo galing sa'yo sana. Magkano nga ulit? 45,000. Pero right now, ito yung makita nyong products, the freebies, di ba? Ang dami pag 3 business center. At saka ito yung value. Pero imagine mo, yung savings mo when you started is this. Pag 1 business center, 28,000 agad ang na-save mo. Pag 3 business center, 75,000 agad ang na-save mo. Ang enrollment, ito na lang. 30,000 tsaka 52,000. O, di ba? Kahit anong ikot ko, tumbling ko, imagine yung income potential Kung halimbawang nag-ibang bansa ako, kikitain ko ba yung $3,000? For sure. Pero ang gastos ko rin doon ay dollars. Pero masaya sa sana, I'm earning in dollars, pero I'm spending in peso. Okay? Kaya nga, even in 15 years of your sana business, so far, so good. Ito po yung income ni Mentor dyan sa account niya. Okay, ako po, pinapakita ko po ito. Huwag niyo pong i-capture para po wala tayong maging thank you so much. Nakita ko 'yon. Narinig ko 'yon rather. Ay, but so much of that. So far ito yung naging income ko po inyo sana. Alright. Mas may malaking income compared to us. But you see, kung i-combine ko yung income namin, we're really, on the, kung i-compute ko right now, ito wala pa to ng 6 digits eh. Eh, tama ba? 6 digits? Parang more, nine digits. Okay? Nasa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits, no? So ngayon nasa 9 digits na po yan. But again, hindi po natin niyayabang yan. Gusto kong makita yung resulta para you can look forward to a life that's meaningful and purposeful. Habang bata tayo, we can thrive really well and we can be a blessing to many. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, nasa na po lahat ng to? wag po kayo mag-alala hanggang ngayon. Ang ginagawa ko is this, no? Um, I'll be honest with you. I believe a lot of guru pagdating sa finances will tell you to save, and that's okay. Of course, you have to save. Pero while you're young, accumulate wealth and then make sure that your income goes into something na later on mapapakinabangan mo. Uh, and I really appreciated the fact that we were able to learn that as early on na kung ano yung kinikita namin. Yes, hindi namin lahat natatanggap. Lumalabas din siya. There came a point, ang aming binabayaran in a month is 500,000 in a month. Totoo po yan. No? Ang natitira lang sa amin, sapat lang para pangkain sa isang linggo. Pero eventually, lahat yun natapos, nabayaran, and grabe, grasya po talaga ng
Oh,
Panginoon.
kailangan ko ilaw.
Ayan.
Sorry.
So, I love it, MLM, making life meaningful. And to end, alam ko matagal na yung aking talk, pero alam niyo yun, darating kayo sa point, whether you like it or not, magkakaroon kayo ng resulta sa Usana. Okay? Let me repeat that. Magkakaroon po kayo ng resulta sa Usana. But one thing I appreciate, this business is not just about health, about finances. But really, it's a holistic business kung saan you can grow yourself, you can grow your relationship with God. And ako po, resulta ako ng relationship na yon sa Panginoon. And that's why I feel that until now, sinusustain tayo ng Panginoon. Again, not because of the income. The income will follow, pero because of the relationship that I have with the Lord. So kayo po na nandito nakinig ngayon, maraming salamat. I pray na hindi lang po yung nakita nyo tonight ang maging resulta nyo, kundi yung talagang tunay na relasyon sa Panginoon. I believe everything else will follow and you will be able to glorify the Lord. You will be truly blessed. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Alam ko pag may mga tanong kayo, hindi na kasyang oras, pero uunahan ko na ang ating host. Kaya ako po pinost yung IG ko. Kung meron kayong tanong, you can message me anytime. Ayan, I will answer naman sa ating sa IG Messenger chat. Okay? God bless you po, Ate Shirley. Maraming salamat to all the leaders. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you so much, Mentor. Grabe, it's so amazing, di ba, guys? Grabe, Mentor. We are so inspired and really, we want to tell you that you are really a blessing for us for tonight. At grabe po yung senior nyo sa amin and to really how to make the business so right in the eyes of God, in the eyes of people surrounds us. Thank you for encouraging us, Mentor. Yes po, siguro po, Mentor, wala na rin po kaming maitatanong sa sobra pong generous ng mga senior nyo sa amin. Meron pa kayong patip sa amin how to prospect, how to really filter the people that we are going to touch through this business. And thank you po. We really are inspired and we really seeing the future that we are going to have by really doing this business that God has given to us. Thank you so much, Mentor. And for everyone here, just be last, maybe siguro unmute tayo to give thanks to our mentor and also the photo op, the picture taking that will be kukunin po sa atin ni Coach Lyra. Can you please, sa ating picture taking with Mentor May? Thank you
Thank
talaga,
you
Mentor.
so much, Mentor May. Ayan
Thank you,
guys, let's
Mentor May.
unmute
Thank
and
you,
ibigay
Mentor
ang
May.
latest
Thank you,
thing.
Mentor May.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
Mentor
much,
May.
Mentor. Mentor, ayan,